If you're thinking you want to get a travel trailer that's not super heavy, yet has a super amount of fabulous features, then check out the Keystone Outback Ultra-Lite. Keystone is known for building great travel trailers, and the Outback Ultra-Lite is no exception. Follow along as we highlight a few floor plans right after we check out the features, making an Outback Ultra-Lite a great travel trailer for campground fun. Trust me, I call them the chalets. I love these things. First up, let's talk everyone's favorite room, the kitchen. You'll get some sweet appliances in the kitchen, including a 3-burner gas range with a stove and a low pro hood vent, microwave, and a 2-door 8 cubic foot fridge with a 10 cubic foot option. Your vittles and other kitchen goodies will be stored in hardwood cabinetry that's hand glazed, pre-drilled, and screwed in. Prep your meals on the pressed countertops and wash away easily in the deep stainless steel sink with roll-up sink cover and a high-rise faucet with pull-out sprayer. And no worries regarding food spillage because there's no carpet. You get HyperDeck fiberglass back linoleum flooring in this beauty. Once you're done with your camp meal, you'll probably want to relax, right? Well, the Outback Ultralites have super comfy furniture, which includes a dream dinette, and you can opt to get the Thomas Paine Collection theater seats. Plush, comfortable, and awesome in place of the sleeper sofa. You'll be able to cool down quickly with a 15,000 BTU AC with racetrack ducting, plus an option in some models for a second AC unit. You want some heat? How about 35,000 BTU furnace with in-floor heating ducts that'll keep your toes cozy on those crisp mornings. And some models will even have a fireplace. Now, who wants entertainment? Everybody, right? Well, every Outback Ultralite comes with the large HD TV and AM/FM CD stereo with a DVD player, MP3 hookup, and Bluetooth enabled. Keystone also has enabled a ton of in the bathroom. You'll enjoy the extra shower room in ambient light via the skylight over the shower area. And a nice touch, you'll get a high-rise porcelain toilet. Lastly, we have the bedroom. Now, for me, comfort is key, especially in the bedroom, and this baby has got it. You'll get a residential queen-size bed, reading lights, outlets, and USB ports, plus the designers of the Outback Ultralite love their pets. Every model has a built-in pet kennel. And speaking of your pets, you'll get an outside shower to hose them and the kids off before they enter your Outback Ultralite sanctuary. What other exterior features are there? How about a ton of power? Every Outback Ultralite comes with a power tongue jack, LCI power stabilizing jacks, and a lighted power awning with adjustable arms to have the ability to move the awning down a bit so that rain doesn't pool on the top. Now, that's a lot of power, but what about saving some power? Well, that's a good question, because with the Outback Ultralites, you get a battery disconnect, but what really saves the juice is solar, namely the SolarFlex 200 that comes with a roof-mounted solar panel that is easily upgradable if you feel the need to harness more of the sun's power. Now, other great features found on the Keystone Outback Ultralite exterior are the LCI solid step with the very convenient extra wide first step, a 54-gallon freshwater tank to make boondocking very attractive. You got a backup camera prep for easily backing up, and a cargo rack prep in case you need more room for your gear, bikes, or you want to throw little Bobby along back there and just strap him in for a safe trip. Every camper knows the true key to relaxation is knowing that your RV is well built. Well, the Outback Ultralite really fits the bill. Above your head, you have a fully walkable roof with a one-piece TPO membrane. At your feet, the frame is a sturdy BAL Norco huck-bolted Z-channel, and in the middle, the fiberglass exterior is pinch-rolled lamination. The guts include tough-lock thermoplastic duct joiners, so no rust will occur. All wiring is color-coded to determine any issues quickly. The slide-outs seal nicely via the TrueFit slide construction, and the one-piece polypropylene heated enclosed underbelly keeps warmth in and critters out. Now, before I check out some floor plans, let me give you some Outback Ultra-Lite facts. They run from 5,000 to 7,500 pounds in dry weight, and in length, they go from 23 feet to 35 feet, and they have plenty of floor plans. Well, I'm going to take a look at just a select few and hit them by length. The 221 UMD is great for the camping couple, but can sleep up to 5. You'll find the rear wall shares the kitchen and the bathroom. A centered queen bed sits up front, and a large slide out with a trifold sofa makes it easy to move around inside. The 240 URS, or the 24 hours as I like to call it, is a unique travel trailer. The main bed is in a rear slide out, but what's really cool is that front section. It has a room that acts like a toy hauler as well as a bunk room. You'll find a ramp to move your motorcycle inside and stacked twin bunks. The 240 URS can sleep up to 6. The 260 UML has a large rear kitchen with a ton of countertop space, so it's perfect for that camp chef. A large slide out sits in the living area, and a walk-through bathroom leads into the nice-sized bedroom. The 260 UML can easily sleep 5. The 291 UBH is designed for the camp-loving family. You'll find a private bunk room in the back, large living area slide out with a sofa sleeper, impressively large walk-through bathroom leading into the bedroom. You'll also get that outdoor kitchen and a super cool entertainment center that swivels out to expose a large pantry. Great little hiding space. The 291 UBH can sleep up to 9. So there you go. When you're ready to go camping further out back than your backyard and hit campgrounds across America, head into a Keystone Outback Ultra-Lite. Go to campingworld.com and check out the selection of Outback Ultra-Lites near you. And as always, happy camping.